Hello, I'm Carolyn Herbert from the Finance News Network, and joining me over the phone from Ingenia Communities Group to discuss its recent capital raising and acquisitions is CEO and Managing Director Simon Owen. Simon, welcome back.
Great to be here.
Now, Ingenia develops and operates a range of affordable seniors living accommodation and holiday parks. So can you tell us about your most recent acquisitions and how these complement your portfolio?
Yeah, so earlier in the week we announced that we acquired 5 new lifestyle communities, which will increase our business by around 20%. The purchase price of those 5 communities is $79.9 million. There's 4 existing lifestyle communities, one near Port Macquarie on the New South Wales mid-north coast, 2 in Brisbane and 1 on the Queensland Capricorn coast. And then the other asset is a fully DA-approved greenfield site, which is just north of Coffs Harbour, again on the New South Wales mid-north coast. In total, that adds over 700 new income-producing sites, gives us over 300 new development sites, and has given us the confidence to upgrade our development target for 2019 to over 350 new homes, which would make Ingenia the biggest developer of new lifestyle communities in Australia.
Thanks, Simon. So what's the total consideration and impact on earnings?
So the purchase price of the 5 communities is $79.9 million. In addition to that, we've raised an extra $10 million from the market to accelerate the development of the new DA-approved site just north of Coffs Harbour. In terms of accretion, in 2018 it will be moderately accretive, just given that there's probably going to be a 3-month delay between now and when we actually fully deploy the funds, and then it will be strongly accretive from FY19 and beyond.
Now, the acquisitions are being funded by a $74 million capital raising. Can you tell us a bit more about this?
Yeah, so we worked with 3 investment banks on the transaction, which was Moelis, Morgans and Petra. The capital raising comprised 2 components. Firstly, there was a placement of $32 million to institutional investors. This happened on Wednesday and was heavily oversubscribed. We were able to introduce a few new global funds management groups, as well as looking after some of our existing institutional shareholders. And then the second component was a $42 million entitlement offer, which basically gave all of our existing unit holders the ability to subscribe for additional shares on the basis of 1 new share for every 11 securities that they had already held. Very strong demand, and we were able to close the book early on the basis of the significant oversubscriptions that we received. So overall, we're very excited that we were able to raise that capital in such a short period of time, and it continues to develop and grow our register.
And finally, Simon, with these acquisitions and earlier purchases, what does the portfolio comprise in total?
So in our lifestyle business, we now have 36 communities, which represents over 5,600 income-generating sites. We have more than 2,650 development sites, which will enable us to continue to accelerate our growth. And then as well, we still own and operate 31 seniors rental communities across the country, so all up 67 villages and communities across Australia.
Simon Owen, thanks for the update.
Thanks, Carolyn. It was great to be here.